If I have a scale in which markings are 7 mm apart and another scale with markings 8 mm apart, using these scales we cannot measure things smaller than 7 mm, right? But counterintuitively, using them we can measure distances as small as 1 mm. Let's see how. Assume we measure 1 inch using this bolt and 3/4 of an inch using these screws. To measure 1/4 of an inch using them, we use second screw like this and remove remaining portion to get 1/4 of an inch. Similarly, when we arrange our 7 mm and 8 mm scales so that they show 56 mm and coincide at two markings, when we move 7 mm upper scale towards left by 1 mm, the second markings coincides and we can observe what is happening for every 1 mm movement. And finally it repeats again. Now we can measure things more accurately when we see markings intersect and we know the highlighted distances and difference of them gives the required measurement. And that's exactly how your vernier caliper works.